To start or stop volumetric audio compositor service in Windows 10 Home, right click on Start menu icon and then click on tab Computer Management. Next, click on tab Services and Applications drop-down menu. Select Services and then scroll down the screen. Find Volumetric Audio Compositor Service. And then right click on Volumetric Audio Compositor Service. To start, select Start, or to stop, select Stop. Descriptions: HUD's Spatial Analysis for Mixed Reality Audio Simulation. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice